Hey everyone, welcome back. It's EthanAVideos and we're back again with another video. It's been a while and I'm sorry I've been away working. I've tried to be on a little bit more. Finally getting back to a video, and I'm going to be answering a question that one of my subscribers asked. So, GIJS, you asked, how can I download WinRAR? Well, I'm going to show you. I'm also going to have a link down in the description where I go. So I figured this will just kind of help us out. Plus, we are almost to 300 subscribers. As you can see, we are up to 294 subscribers. Let's see if we can get to 1,000 subscribers. That'd be really awesome. Let's see if we can get to at least 1,000 subscribers at the end of this year. Okay, so first off, you're going to go here. Hey everyone, what is up? One of my videos decided to play. So first off, you're going to go here, which if you don't know what you're running, you go down to your Windows, right click it, go up to System, wait for it to bring a page up, and then you look for system type, and I'm running a 64-bit operating system. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to look for WinRAR 64-bit. This looks like it's the newest version. This is a trial. So basically, as far as I know, with the trials, if I, like, for example, okay, so this is zipped, it's a WinRAR. So if I open this up, it will come up with this: please purchase WinRAR license, but it won't stop me from using it. So go on. So I can still use WinRAR. So basically, all you're gonna do is you're gonna locate. Okay, so I'm running 64-bit. This is the newest version for me, so I'm going to click on it. Okay, and with this, well, for me, it's going to ask me to save it. If you're running something like Chrome, it's just going to pop up down here and wait for it to download. Now, if you're using something else like, go with this Microsoft Edge, I don't know, I've never used that before. So once you hit save, you're going to have to wait for it to download. Once it's downloaded, you're going to click on it. It's going to ask for permission, give it yes. Okay, install. WinRAR setup. Interface, add WinRAR to desktop, add WinRAR to start menu. I'm going to leave those unchecked. This looks good to me, I guess. Okay, and it's done. There we go. That's about all I know. If it's not working for you, I don't know. You also get this most of the time. That's because you got, like, the trial. Basically, they'll just sit there and pester you if you open it up. But I can extract stuff just by right clicking, and then I can open with WinRAR, extract files by WinRAR, extract here by WinRAR, or extract to a folder by WinRAR. And I'm going to show you how to use 7-zip if I can actually find it. I'm not sure. Let me just go here and type in 7-zip. See if we can find it. Okay. I will also have a link down for this too. Alright, so I don't really know. I don't use 7-zip, but this is the EXE. So I want this one because I'm running a 64-bit operating system. So I just hit download, and it's going to do the same thing here. Save file. Once it's done, I click here, give it permission. It's going to start up. This is the, like, destination where it's going to download. Put it. Then once it's done, this close button or something should say done, or this button will disappear and then it'll come here. Oh, okay. It took me a while to realize right here it says is installed. Most things remove the close button and put like a done button here. Okay, so once it's done, then you can use 7-zip. So let me just go here and see if I can search it. 7-zip. So 7-zip is here. Locate files. Here's 7-zip. Yeah, that's basically it. So now I can extract files here. So say I want to extract this, then it's going to come up here, and somewhere it's going to show up a folder. Say I want to extract it with 7-zip, then I just come down here to 7-zip, extract to this, because I don't want my desktop getting any messier. Yes to all, because I already have them here. So, and there we go, I extracted it. So that's how you get WinRAR and 7-zip on your computer, and that's also how you find out what you're running. If you're running 32-bit, I think there's like an 86-bit or something, or 84, and whatever one I'm running, I don't remember. I just got myself all confused. But whatever it is, that's how you find out what you're running. I hope you found this video helpful, and yeah, if you're new here, please subscribe. It helps me out a ton. We're working our way up to 1,000 subscribers to attempt to possibly get monetized. And also, I just appreciate it a lot if you subscribed. Also hit the bell for notifications, and also give it a thumbs up if you found it enjoyable or it helped you out or anything like that. Also join my Discord server. I'll have an invite link down in the description too. So yeah, see you in the next video. Have a great day. Stay safe.